The upcoming episode is packed with suspense, keeping viewer on edge with its gripping and emotional scenes. One of the most heart-stopping moments unfolds when Seon, overwhelmed with fear and desperation, shouts Heeju's name upon finding what he believes to be her lifeless body by the river. Consumed by terror at the thought of losing her, he discovers, to his immense relief, that the body isn't hers, it's Do Jae's. However, this revelation offers little solace as Seon is left devastated, staring at Do Jae's cold, lifeless form. The weight of loss and guilt bears down on him as he struggles to process the tragedy. In the aftermath, tensions reach a boiling point during a confrontation with the real Seon. Fueled by anger and confusion, he demands to know what the real Seon truly wants: his name, his life, or everything he holds dear. The real Seon responds with a chilling question: would he be willing to give up his wife? This provocation ignites an uncontrollable fury, setting the stage for an even deeper conflict between them. Meanwhile, at Do Jae's memorial service, the tension continues to build. Heeju's instincts tell her that danger is imminent, and she urges Seon to arrive quickly. Her unease proves justified as Seon steps before the press, preparing to reveal a shocking truth. With emotions running high, he announces his intention to expose his true identity in the fact that the real Seon had taken Heeju hostage. As the stakes rise, Heeju experiences a profound shift in her feelings. Despite her fear, she becomes determined to protect her husband, standing by his side with unwavering resolve. For the first time, she openly expresses the depth of her love for him, confessing just how much she has cared all along. This raw and heartfelt moment cements her loyalty to Seon. In the climactic scenes, viewer can expect a passionate kiss between Seon and Heeju, a turning point that hints at the possibility of an intimate and long-awaited moment between them. Fans are eagerly anticipating this pivotal development, hoping it will mark a new chapter in their relationship. Stay tuned for more as this thrilling story unfolds. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this breakdown and can't wait for more updates, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest episodes and drama recaps. Let us know in the comments your favorite moment from this episode or your predictions for what's coming next. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.